Do you want to comment on specific lines while reading on Wattpad? In this video, I will show you how to enable inline comments on Wattpad step by step, so you can interact with stories and share your thoughts and exact parts of the text. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Wattpad app. In this page, you will find this sign on above here. You will click on above as you see, so you will tap here. After that, you will click on settings. You will enter to settings. Then here in this page, you will find this page of privacy and safety, so you will tap on content preferences, and then here not here, you will go to reading preferences. On this window of settings here, reading preferences, and here in this reading preferences you will find here inline comments. You will click, and then you will know how to enable inline comments, or how to show inline comments on Wattpad. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.